guys, good morning, and today is the 4th day of September, and after have a good sleep last night at the hotel in Quality Inn in Duncan, South Carolina, so the dispatcher called us this morning after having a breakfast there. I got biscuit, sausage and egg, cereal. I have gravy, boiled egg. Peanut butter. Hi guys, look at my breakfast. I have cereal with raisin. This is my favorite. And I put 2% milk. It's my coffee. I love coffee every morning. And my waffles. We're here in Quality Inn. It's clean, it's nice, and high ceiling. I love high ceiling. So we're here in Simpsonville, South Carolina, because we're going to pick up a load all the way to Georgia.
16. I'll be right back. I think down there.
Okay. So my husband went inside to check in for the shipping. So finally we're here in Perry, Georgia, and it's 3:30 here in the afternoon. So now, as you can see, we're going to pull out the heavy load, and after that we'll go find a restaurants and get some food to eat. So we're here in
Warner Robins, Georgia.
So we ended here in Longhorn, and we're going to eat a dinner. Longhorn Steakhouse. The bread. So our food is here. What you got, baby?
Ribeye.
That's good.
Medium rare.
Mine, I got a chicken here, grilled chicken with rice, of course, and I have a corn in a cup.
after having a good dinner in Longhorn restaurant, we see a big mall right across the street. So we're going to hang it there and check it out what's inside the mall.
So this is their mall here inside. It's a Houston County Galleria. There's a belt there. It looks so quiet because it's not weekend. It's pretty big. Oh, that's my favorite shoes over there. New Balance. Every day in the middle Georgia is Armed Forces Appreciation Day. So I got Aeropostale.